Hi guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance. Thank you so much for joining me today, or tonight, again. I'm going to do a quick project for you, and if this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for joining us. I hope that you will like the video and decide to become a subscriber. And guys, if you love the video, you love the work that I present to you, I just ask that you will share with your family and friends and give me a thumbs up and communicate with me. Let me know what you think and if you like it or not like it. I thank you so much for your participation. I love talking with you guys, so please participate. Alright, so what you will need for this is a picture frame. I got mine from the Goodwill, because if you can, let me bring it closer, see, it's much thicker, and I'm looking for stability, so I like the fact that it is sturdy. So it's $1.18 I paid for my picture frame at the Dollar Tree. The frame is just really flimsy. It's not very good frame, so I don't purchase picture frames from there. So for $1.18, for 18 cents more, you're getting something that's very sturdy and heavy. So that's what I went with. And I went out and spray painted all the items already because I knew I wasn't going to be able to do this project till later tonight. So I spray painted this beige, but I didn't give full coverage, because I wanted for some of the wood to seep through the paint so that it looked distressed without me having to sand it. So I think it turned out pretty nice. I like the way it turned out. So you will need your picture frame. You also need, from the Dollar Tree, the non-slip rug underlay. And this you can also, I believe, use as a liner. You can use it under your rug so it's not slippery or movable. So I decided I wanted to use that because ZGallerie, I noticed, had a art piece, and when I looked at it, it reminded me of that. So I figured I could duplicate it using this very material, which I think it will turn out nice. So I went outside and spray painted them. I decided to take my glass. Well, it came with a glass, and it also came with this border, and so I wanted to keep the border beige, and that's one of the reasons why I painted the frame beige as well. So you will need a picture frame, you will need your non-stick for the rug underlay, then you'll cut them according to the size of your border, not necessarily the frame, but the border. So what I did, I cut out a piece that was the size of the inside of the border. Then I also cut a large piece that covers the entire part of the border. Okay? So for this, I'm going to lay both pieces of the small piece and the large piece on the front of the border. I'm not quite sure if you want to use your glue gun and glue sticks, you can. I'm not sure if I'm going to or not yet. We'll see how it lays. Because at the same time, I want to use this frame again, and I don't want to ruin it with the glue gun. Now, the backing of the frame comes with a black board, and so I'm laying that there under the frame. I hope you're able to see that. So this is what I have. So I believe I mentioned to you guys that I already spray painted it. The colors I wanted was gold, black, and red. So those are the colors that I chose. You can choose whatever color you want. And then I love abstract, so that's what I'm going to create. You can choose whatever design you want for your frame. So I'm just basically making sure everything is even at this point where I want to lay them. And like I said, guys, it's very easy. Okay, so I lay 3 pieces of gold. That's what I chose. You can choose whatever color you want. Then I'm going to put mine in a diamond shape. It's just a piece of square. I cut out the foam in a square, but I'm going to lay it in a diamond shape. Make sure it's even in the center. Bring it a bit over. Okay, then I want to take my black and lay it on top of the red. So guys, you can have it in a square, just like this. Or, this is what I would like to go with. I want to go ahead and do another diamond shape. That's what I had in mind. Okay, so now I am going to hopefully keep this together without messing it up. Now that I know where everything is, lay my board on the inside and lay my pieces on top of the board. Let's see if I did that correctly. No, I didn't. Bear with me, guys. I did that backwards. I need to lay it on the glass because I want it to be inside of the glass. But I needed to lay it onto my frame so that I can definitely, let's see, perfect. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and place my back onto the board. I don't know what the problem is. Every time I'm recording, my phone always cuts off. So I apologize for my video being choppy. Okay, so now you've got your back on. Guys, I told you this was going to be quick and easy. Now I have a beautiful wall art. Okay, I'm going to put it somewhere and show you what it looks like. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. I decided to spray paint the square, which I turned into a diamond shape, into gold. I just thought it would pop more next to the black because the red is already there.
I absolutely love the way it turned out. Let me know what you think, if you would have left it red or you do like the gold. I think it looks great for $1.18 for the frame and $1 for the foam. For $2.18, I think it looks great. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends, and I truly appreciate your time and your comments. I will see you on my next video tomorrow.